Hey guys, we're here in Chattanooga with the Peeler Family Pack for another Peeler Family Adventure. We're doing the Incline Railway and then we're doing Ruby Falls. We're excited. This is Ellie's first time on a train. You ready?
How do you feel about the train, Elliot?
Scared.
Scared?
How do
We're
you
gonna
feel,
go up a little hill.
I've gone on one of them, but it was at Orlando, and it wasn't really that real because it was just a Harry Potter one. But then we're going on this one.
Nice. Well, yeah, this is the Incline Railway.
Tiny little browse through the gift shop.
Sure.
I love gift shops.
Yeah, the train's here now, so calm down about your t-shirt.
I might not buy one.
You better make it on this one.
Hey, get the window seat, bud.
Reaching an altitude of 2,100 feet above sea level. The car which you are riding
There goes Chattanooga. We're going up the mountain.
underground huge trunks of the area at the top of the mountain and connected underneath the cars.
Yeah, they do look cool.
And there are manual brakes.
We're going up backwards. We're going in reverse up a mountain.
Crazy. We've been so far that the cars, we can't even see them anymore.
Yeah, it's really cool, huh? What do you guys think of it?
We're liking it. It's pretty cool.
Scary.
Ellie was like, if it just went straight, it wouldn't be scary. I was like, yeah, but then you wouldn't get to see the view.
Yeah.
Look down there. That's so cool.
That is so cool.
All right, folks. Please remain seated till we come to a complete stop. Train's leaving at your medical visit in 20 minutes. You can stay here as long as you'd like. Flash the train again. This has been fine for this evening.
Cool. Hey.
Nice. Well, now we the gift shop. Well, these things make a beautiful pile.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. Where's the where's the
What do you think?
It's cool up here.
It is cool up here.
I think I got my red stuff in here.
Okay, I don't know if it's recording. Oh, it is.
Yeah.
We're in the gift shop.
Hey,
Gift
show them
shop.
what you got, guys.
I got pocket knives.
Both the
Ooh,
kids
they got
picked
some
out
moon pie,
pocket
knives.
knives.
Look at my moon pies. I got
We're
a little
getting,
bit of every flavor. We
lots
got
of moon pies.
a party pie flavor,
Magnet, Mama. I want
blueberry
this
pie.
magnet.
What flavor was this? Salted caramel?
Oh yeah, salted caramel.
Yeah, that's
Some
how I
people
say
say
it
it
too.
correctly.
Banana. I mean, I say caramel too. I don't know why I say caramel. And then chocolate.
I think I'm gonna get this sign. Oh,
like
I
it.
can't hold it.
I think you should.
Look at it. Point at Shelbyville.
Buy this now? Okay.
That's where we live. Yeah. So anyway, so that's all I guess we're getting. There's some really cool moon pie candles. I really like this one.
We just did the gift shop. I got a tin of moon pies and we got like every flavor. Avery got some chocolate moon pies. Elliot got one to try blueberry. What's your flavor you're gonna try?
Sign.
What flavor moon pie are you gonna try?
Oh, I heard you. I just want to show my sign.
We're getting there.
I think I want to try birthday cake.
Yeah, that one sounds good.
I got Mama, Daddy, and me stickles.
Yeah. Avery, what'd you get?
A pocket knife.
Let me see it. What does it say on there? Eat mo pie.
Nice.
I like it. All right, let's get out of the road, guys.
I got my pocket
Now, can I show you my sign now?
Yeah, show me your cutting board sign.
To be fair, I already showed the people the sign while you were in there, but the lady actually said it's a cutting board, but it's okay.
It's also a sign.
this way. Should I put
So I guess this is what pulled us up the mountain right here. This motor. Vibrates the whole building once it's rolling. Pretty crazy.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Got some pizza.
Show me your bracelets, guys.
Oh, yeah. Check it out.
Mr. T's Pizza and Ice Cream.
Guys, if you can guess my first favorite color in the comments, then I will give you a shout out.
I thought she was gonna say she was gonna give you a free Mr. T's bracelet.
That's what I thought. This pizza's good.
I pity the fool who's never had Mr. T's Pizza and Ice Cream in Chattanooga across from the
And she
Lookout
lost a
Mountain
tooth.
Incline Railway.
And she lost a tooth.
What'd you guys think about Mr. T's?
I did not lose a tooth. Pizza was really good.
We are about to try some moon pies here. We got chocolate. We got the party pie. We got blueberry. Go ahead, guys.
Alright, let's try it.
Give it a go.
Do you like it? I'm gonna try mine yet. Ready? Oh,
Hold on, I'm gonna show the
All right, let me try the party pie as well.
it's pretty good.
You're advertising for moon pies here.
I gotta give it a try.
I like mine.
I'm also going for a party pie.
What do you think?
Oh,
like
that was
it?
good.
Pretty good. What'd you have to say, Ave?
I got a pocket knife.
It's a moon pie pocket knife
How's the blueberry?
and a moon pie.
Good.
Every time that you ever point the camera at me, I get nervous and I just wave. That's what I've noticed about myself. I'm gonna trim that bush a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind of blocking my view of Ruby. Cool. What a cool castle building. Thanks. Get off an elevator into a cave. That's so like Batman.
Minecraft is my favorite game ever, and
Really?
I know everything about it, but I forgot like what year it was most popular. But I defeated the Ender Dragon in 3 of them, and like I just love Minecraft. So.
It might be a little lower right here.
I can't touch it.
You got it. You got it.
Touch this.
Got it again.
Mine's in this
That would not be good.
I mean, I slammed my head on the table before. Look at that.
That's cool.
I want to mine it.
Yeah.
I want to get all the cool rocks.
Yeah. This is a lot of cool rocks. If you like rocks, this is the place to be. They got Wi-Fi down in the cave. I like this.
Yeah, it's really cool.
You're in a cave. Wow. Yeah, how are you liking the cave?
A lot.
Yeah, it's pretty in here, huh?
Yeah, I'm getting some cave dust.
Cave dust? What are you gonna do with cave dust?
Souvenir.
We like to call her golden turtle. Like passes that she tried to make it all the way to the top, but she was just downright petrified. So she can take that right there. We also just went through our beautiful hall of trees. This is where Ruby would come down and she would do things the name. This is also where during the Great Depression, would come down here and they would actually break off the stalagmites on the ceiling. And they would sell them in the parking lot as their own shop. Now this is very illegal now, but I wanted to point it out like
Cool, yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Family love. Hanging out in the cave.
Oh,
What'd y'all think?
I thought it was really
Can
cool.
you hear me all right?
Yes.
It's okay. We had an accident.
Perfect.
Do you like the
How was that
waterfall?
Did you like the waterfall?
Perfect.
What'd y'all think?
We are about to start making our way back towards the elevator. That means we are also
I liked
now the outbound group.
I got a car sticker.
I like that one. You like those rocks?
Do you just keep them in here?
Yeah, I think so. Or like, if you just play with them and then put them back, I don't know.
And I got this.
Yeah, I like those. Those are cool. That's a cool bag.
Look what Avery picked out.
Oh, I like that, Avery. I like that.
That's cool.
I like how it has like kind of like
I'm getting a geode.
a geode.
It's a
Cool.
tight fit, but it's called fill-a-back.
Can I show
I
you what
like
I'm
it.
getting?
And
sticker.
this. and this.
A sticker and a magnet.
Mama, did you pick out one of these?
Not yet.
You ready, Elliot? Or are you still trying to fit more in there?
You say you just try to short.
Hey, fill that bag, boy.
Here, let me put it on you, and then you can see if you.
That was fun.
Tell us what you
Come on, come on. Let's see y'all souvenirs, guys.
Okay, so first from the cave, I collected a bunch of cave dust. And then I got some raw candy. And then I got a geode that's wrapped up. And then I got a necklace.
Very pretty. Oh wait, I don't think they can see. Very pretty. I got some stuff. I got rock candy. And oh, this is yours. I need to give this back to you. You got this. And oh, okay. Oh, and I already showed you my magnet and my sticker for my car.
Nice.
That's what I got.
What'd you get, Elliot? Let me see.
Rocks.
Woo!
And then
These are some cool rocks.
And the rock candy. And a Ruby Falls bag to keep them in. I like that.
the cherry flavor is my favorite.
So this is the High Point Zip Adventure at Ruby Falls. We're here at the High Point Zipline Adventure at Ruby Falls. We signed our waivers. We're all ready to go. We're waiting on our guide who's on the way over here with us. I think we're gonna be going down that zip line up there, if I had to guess.
That's what I paid for, so I hope so.
You have to climb up a rock wall to get to the place.
Whoa.
Wait, really?
Yeah, look. Right there.
Go, Avery, go! Woo!
Have y'all been over to High Point yet?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Nice, good job.
Good job, Ed. Woohoo! Good job. Good job.
Okay.
I guess we'll be back here in a second. Doing that line. Go, boy.
Sweet, we made it.
Thanks, man. You got this, dude. You going back for more, Abe?
Because I mean, I guess
You got it, man. Good job.
No, that makes sense.
I feel like it drops me too fast and I get scared.
Yeah, these ones are all a little bit nicer than the gym ones.
Really?
Yeah.
They are slower?
What's up, what's up?
Cool if since Johnston transfer of Cam watches the ground and I head out.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, you need anything before I go?
Good job, Elliot.
Good job, dude.
I said
You're welcome. Just text me if you ever need anything.
Woohoo!
My shoe's gonna fall off.
We better tighten it up before the zip line.
Yeah, get that thing on there.
Don't want to lose your shoe. Come here, I'll tighten it for you. Wait until he gets under.
There we go.
Okay, now come on.
This part looks like a T. This is the actual trolley. It has these wheels in it. It's gonna make sure you go nice and fast down the zip line. This is my buddy Sean over there. He's gonna be on the other side. He's on the other side, making sure you don't hit the pole, breaking you, all that fun
That's
stuff.
great.
Nice.
Follow me up in whatever order you want to go in.
Yeah, it'll be okay. We'll see you on the other side, man.
So have fun.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Step on up. This first one is 400 feet long.
Have fun.
Woohoo!
Alright, step on up.
Woo!
There we go. Step on up, brother.
Alright, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it,
Meet you
man.
over there.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright. Good speed. Come on up. Let him step up on that ball. Face me. You nervous, Eddie?
Woohoo! Go, Abe! She's gonna ask 50 questions before she does anything.
Fair enough.
That's her style.
Come on up and over.
Appreciate it.
Right. Since you're really tall, let's put your head on the other side for me.
Yeah. Alright, am I good to go?
Yes, sir. That's all.
Alright,
you.
appreciate it, man.
We made it. How was it?
It was good. I like that. Y'all enjoy that one?
Yeah. I
Nice.
like that one even better than the first one.
Yeah, that
Step
one's
right
faster.
over there for me.
That was a little bit faster.
High five. Left me hanging. Oh, okay, there you go.
Nobody made it. Nobody fell off on the first day.
Yeah,
That's always a good sign.
that is. So we did the High Point Zipline adventure, and that was a great success. What did you guys think about your zipline? How was your first zipline, Elliot? Okay.
When they took the picture, it was a picture of my butt.
Oh, yeah, they didn't get a direct picture of the kids. I was a
Or
little
me, really.
Yeah, but
Avery found me a leaf. It looks like a heart.
oh, very cool. So we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, we rode a train all the way up this mountain this morning. Then we went down in a cave in the middle of this mountain and saw a waterfall. And then we ziplined across the top of it and got to look off the pretty
Big
views.
fan.
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Avery,
5 out of 5.
Look at the camera.
5 out of 5.
it's your new pocket knife, babe.
I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5.
Ellen,
today.
what's your rating for the day?
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. Nice, I like it.
Solid.
Solid, that is solid.
Remember our first video? Remember our first video when I gave it a 0 out of 5?
No, I don't remember that.
Well, I did, and that was just because I was
Oh
thirsty.
yeah, she was crying because it was
Oh,
late.
okay.
Yeah.